On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram chat team option not showing easily and fast in less than 50 seconds. First thing guys, open the settings, and after you open the settings it will take you here. Now what you want to do is go into the apps manager. On this page you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Go to Instagram, click on this option to stop running the app, and then go down to the storage, click on clear cache, clear data, go back. Now you have to restart your phone or turn it off and on again, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then there is another solution, which is update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store like this. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end.